It's okay.
I can't really take you serious.
I look like I'm a terrorist. Like,
hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and in today's video I'm paying homage to all of the homecomings that cannot be celebrated as of a physical sense. However, today is the day that we would have homecoming, and it's kind of sad to know that you didn't have the chance or you didn't have the option to say no, I don't want to go to homecoming. The pandemic said you're not, so we're not. It just makes you think like all the memories you've collected through your homecoming experiences. And the crazy thing that I thought about when I was in my freshman year at the AAMU, that was literally my first homecoming ever celebrated at A&M University. So Cliff is with us in honor of COVID-19. He's wearing his mask because he wears his mask all the time. I was talking about homecoming, and I was talking about my first experience for a freshman. My first homecoming experience as a freshman. And I was basically saying that it was just like a regular game because I was in uniform participating. How was your freshman year?
I didn't really experience it, like, for real. Of course, our homecoming is on Thanksgiving. And if you weren't playing, most of the students went home. And only alumni and locals pretty much went to the game, whether that be Tuskegee or Montgomery.
How did that make you feel?
Well, it's changed now, so.
No, I'm saying though, and I'm not talking about current. I'm talking about your freshman year. We're talking about your freshman year. How did that make you feel? Because you played your freshman year. So how did it make you feel not having a packed out stadium for your homecoming?
It was packed
for the amount of people that was there. It was packed.
Hey, make sure when you load this up, it be Alabama State on this side, and whatever yours is on this side.
I don't know how to do that. I just know how to make it A&M all the way across.
That's so trash.
So, we talked about our freshman year, homecoming. How do you feel present homecoming, knowing you can't go to the homecoming that's been set aside, or not more so set aside, but that's your original homecoming date? How does it make you feel knowing that you can't go?
I haven't gone in a minute, so I mean.
So it doesn't make you any difference because that's where he went. Why would you go back? We not bashing. I take that back. So it doesn't make you feel any way.
Well, I'm married now and I have a wife, and she loves to go to her homecoming, so we go to her homecoming.
First of all,
she loves it, like, absolutely can't live without it. Like, today is like a day of mourning because she can't go. Like, she woke up this morning
with my mind set.
I'm getting ready to go to. Well, this is what she said last night. Let me backtrack. She said last night she's gonna go to the stadium and just sit in the stadium by herself. I said, well, you go right ahead.
Because I know it's somebody else. Somebody else is feeling the same way.
It is what it is.
I just want to say I didn't know anything about tailgating until after I graduated. I didn't know the impact of tailgating until after I graduated. And it was like people would tell me where to meet them. Like, oh, I'll be here at this section. I'm like, okay, I'll meet y'all. And then it's like you have to know the tailgating grounds to understand what I'm talking about. It's massive.
It's changed a bit since the early 2000s. It's changed quite a bit.
Do y'all have tailgating at y'all's new stadium?
Yes, darling, we do.
Oh, I've never been, so don't come for me.
We do.
You've never wanted to go, so don't come for me.
Lies. The lies you tell.
Okay,
I never wanted to go. And I went twice.
Oh, okay.
In the last 5 years, I've been twice.
Okay. I'm glad you experienced that. So
you're gonna experience it too. I'm gonna get you.
COVID's not gonna allow it, so I'm gonna
get you some.
I'm gonna stay with the regulations that COVID is giving us. You know, just follow in.
Let me get some gear. Okay.
why would I wear that?
It's okay.
Disrespecting counsel. Like,
Love
why
it.
would I do that?
Love it.
Yeah, keep touching.
Hey,
But
y'all
anyway,
homecoming gonna be next year though.
but today is homecoming.
Boo hoo hoo. It's gonna be next year.
Absolutely, boo hoo hoo is right. Today is homecoming. Coming home. HOMECO. I'm just saying. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, just stay tuned, because since this is October, it's the month of homecoming for A&M and classic for us. We coming back, okay, with another video. Okay, we coming back with another one.
Y'all go get your paraphernalia.
Yeah, everybody wear your paraphernalia for next Saturday, the Saturday after that, and Saturday after that, and so on and so on. So anyway, until I make another video, thank you all for watching. Peace out.